Hello audience, you're welcome to Afolat Tutors. In this video, we'll be looking at the possibility of converting Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. Is it possible to convert Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word directly? Now, let's take a look at this. Let me take a look at this example. This is a Microsoft Excel application. This is a spreadsheet that was created on Microsoft Excel. You can see how this spreadsheet looks like. Now, is it possible to convert this directly to Microsoft Word? Now, look at this page and compare it with that of Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Word. Now, can we make a direct conversion? I don't think so. But the only thing we could do is that we could if this is the spreadsheet we are converting, you can see that it is longer. So we may need to convert the Microsoft Word to landscape. This is portrait, so we can decide to convert it to what? To landscape. So how do we do that? We can do that by going to page layout. Then under page layout, we look at the orientation. Then we'll convert it to landscape. So this is now landscape. Now let's look at if the possibility of converting this now. So let's do this. We need to copy. So this now I'm highlighting the table, then I'll press Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll come to Microsoft Word, then I'll press Ctrl V to paste. So let's see what we'll get. Wow, you can see what we've gotten. So we need to reduce the table further so that everything can fit in. So Ctrl A, we can reduce the table. Let's see, we are reducing it. Wow. So again, another thing we could do is we'll come to the page margin. We look at the margin. This is okay. Let's look at the margin here. Very good. So we come here. When it turns to an arrow, you click. Here you drag it to the left. When you come here, you click, you drag it to the left. Is it clear? So that means there's a limit to which you can convert an application from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. So to do this, we may need to reduce our spreadsheet. Let's say we are doing something like, let's say we are just copying this particular section. Ctrl C. Then we'll come to Microsoft Word. Then this one we can easily paste. Ctrl V. You can see that this particular conversion is easier. So converting from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word is not really easy, depending on the spreadsheet that is being created. So you can take a look at your work and see if it is something you can convert directly from Excel to Word. That is, if the number of if the table is not too long, then it can fit in. Another thing is that you can convert this. If you are dealing with sizes, you can convert from letter. You can convert to A3. A3 will be bigger. You can see A3 is covering more space. So it is, wow. You can see that the whole of the table has fit in when the page is now in A3 size. But if it is A4 size, it cannot fit in. So this video is just giving you a kind of quick practical on how to convert from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word, or how to copy your work. Let's say you want to copy a particular sheet from Excel to Microsoft Word. So this is how you go about to implement this. Thank you.